How to increase Instagram story length. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, log into your account, and then click on your story option. After that, simply you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure if it's in story, click on reel. In here, you'll find length option 15, 30, 60, or 90 seconds. Select the length you want. After that, you can simply add any video you want to post as story, or simply click a video of that length and post to your story. This is how to increase Instagram story length. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.